On the slopes of the Devín Vineyards in Slovakia sits a small cabin designed to slow down the pace of life and strengthen a connection with nature. Surrounded by rolling vineyards, forests, and distant mountain views, the Devín cabin presents itself as a simple yet meaningful refuge. With its very small building area, the project demonstrates how architecture can offer a rich spatial experience without being limited by size. Designed by Ark-Shelter in collaboration with ARCHEKTA, the cabin prioritizes connection with the landscape. A folding facade opens onto a terrace, while allowing large glass panels to blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. When all the panels are open, the interior feels as if it extends into the surrounding vineyard, allowing residents to directly experience the changing light, wind, and seasons. Inside, the layout is efficient and thoughtful. The living room, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom are compactly arranged without feeling cramped. Natural materials and a soothing color palette create a warm atmosphere that encourages a sense of rest. Each element has a clear function, while maintaining the cabin's signature visual simplicity. Sustainability is also a key element in the design. Cabin Devín operates independently through a solar energy system and resource management designed to minimize environmental impact. Rather than drastically altering the landscape, the building is carefully positioned to coexist with the existing natural environment. Cabin Devín is more than just a place to stay. It is an experience of living closer to nature. Through its modest scale, flexible spaces, and strong connection to its surroundings, this project reminds us that true luxury is often found in serenity, ease, and the ability to enjoy the beauty that is already before our eyes.